Alright guys, this is a lawnmower update. My lawnmower is not running right at the moment. That's why you haven't seen videos of it. And it's just not running right at the moment. I think I need to change the air filter, oil, drain the gas, clean carburetor, just maintenance, stuff like that. And then I hope it works after that. And then Saturday we're going on the boat and I'm gonna go wakeboarding with my helmets and dirt biking and stuff. And I usually pull this in the chair, that's my lawnmower and stuff like that. So I hope I could get it running and stuff like that. I'll probably do like a maintenance video on it. That'd be cool. And there's my brother's new car. Well, it's not new, but it looks new. That's about it. Please rate or comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you. More videos to come.